guys, in this video let's understand the nearest centroid classifier algorithm along with an example. The inputs we are taking are training dataset T, distance metric D, test instance T, and the output will be predicted class or category. The first step is to compute the mean or centroid of each class. The second step is to compute the distance between the test instance and the mean of each class. That is the Euclidean distance. The third step is to predict the class by choosing the class with the smaller distance. This is all the algorithm is about. Very easy and simple. So let's have a look at the example. Consider the simple data shown in the table with two features x and y. The target classes are A or B. Predict the class using nearest centroid classifier. This is the sample data. The step 1 is to compute the mean or centroid of each class. In this example, there are two classes, that is A and B. To find the centroid of class A, that is the value of x and y, we have to add the values of x, 3, 5 and 4 for under the x point and 1, 2, 3 for the class A under the y point. You have to divide it by 3 as this is a mean, and so 12, 6 by 3 will be 4, 2. And similarly, the centroid of class B can be calculated. That is 7 plus 6 plus 8 for the x point and 6 plus 7 plus 5 for the y point of class B divided by 3. This will be 21, 18 by 3 and this will be equal to 7, 6. And the step 2 is to calculate the Euclidean distance between the test instance 6, 5 and each of the centroid. Why we are taking 6, 5 particularly? That is because that is the test data or the test instance. So how do you find the Euclidean distance? We already know that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root. So x2 will be 6 and x1 will be 4. So 6 minus 4 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, y2 and y1. Put it under the square root, calculate. You will get the value 3.6. And then here 6 minus 7 whole square, 5 minus 6 whole square. Put it under the square root. You will get the distance as 1.414. The test instance has smaller distance to class B. So hence the class of this test instance is predicted as class B. That's all here. There is nothing much to understand or scratch your head. So it's very easy and simple. You can go through the video again if you don't get it. And that's all for the video. Thank you.